Hello there. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to the part 2 of our pronunciation series. My name is Vendi.
And I'm Mindy.
And in today's video, we are going to... What are we going to do, miss?
We're going to learn about some sounds.
Sounds, okay? Like meow, sound of cat.
Not quite, no.
So what sounds, miss?
Okay, so first, how many letters are there in the English language?
Letters. 26.
Hey, yeah, there are. Good. And how many letters are there in Indonesian?
Same, miss.
Yeah, that's right.
26 too.
That's right. But what about the sounds?
Sounds.
Yeah, how many sounds do we make with those 26 letters when we're speaking in English?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's 44 sounds. 44 sounds, 26 letters. How many are there in Indonesian?
I don't know.
Only 33. Did you know that?
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay. So today we're going to cover some sounds, and you're going to need the phonetic alphabet. So these are symbols that we use to represent sounds, and you'll probably find them in the dictionary. So when you look up a word, you will see the word spelled out in these funny symbols, and that's how you can tell how to pronounce the word.
Yeah.
Since there are so many sounds, right, 44, we can't cover all of them today. So we're going to focus on the ones that are the most difficult for Indonesian speakers when they are speaking in English. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start with some vowels. Fendi, do you know the difference between a vowel and a consonant?
Vowel is A, I, U, E, O.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Those are the vowels in English and Indonesian?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Same.
Okay. So for a vowel sound, you're going to only use the sound from your throat up. Okay?
Right.
We don't use our lips to make sounds, our tongue, or our teeth when we're using the vowel sounds. Okay? Only when we are using consonants. Okay?
Okay.
So that's the difference. Okay, Fendi, please read us the first sentence.
All right. This bed is really bad.
Let's look at these two words.
Okay, so we have bed and bed.
They sound the same.
So how do I say it correctly then, miss?
Okay, so here is the first problem. The first problem is that Indonesians do not distinguish between the eh sound and the ah sound.
Eh.
Yeah, it's the same.
Oh, so how do I do it then?
So we're only understanding the sentence based off of context rather than your pronunciation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to pronounce these words differently. Let's look at the first one. This word should be said bed. So the eh in the middle is formed by making your lips very wide and your mouth kind of flat. Can you try that?
Again?
Eh. Good. So all together, bed.
Bed.
Well done. Okay, let's try the next one. So for bad, we want our mouth to go really long. Drop your chin, okay? Open your mouth really big like you're at the doctor. Ah. Yeah, good. So bad.
Bad.
Well done.
Okay, so let me try again. This bed is really bad.
Excellent.
Okay.
Let's look at another one.
Right. Next, I have the food is good.
Okay, so this pronunciation problem is the long oo sound versus the short sound. So in the word food, we want to put our lips really forward, really round, and make an oo sound. Ooh.
Food.
Yeah, that's right. For good, you want to kind of pretend like you're getting punched in the stomach. Like a sound.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
So
Good.
yeah,
Good.
that's right.
Good.
Good.
Oh, nice. Okay, so the food is good.
Yeah, that's right. Well done.
Nice.
Are you ready for another?
Yes. Let's go. Next, I have there are 10 sheep on a ship.
There are what on a
10
what?
sheep on a ship.
Okay. This pronunciation problem is the long E sound in sheep and the short I sound in ship. Eh.
E. Eh.
Not quite. Bless you.
E and eh.
Eh.
Yeah. E
Yeah.
and eh.
That's right.
So sheep
Yeah.
and ship.
Yes. For this one, we want to make our mouth really wide and flat, and then long E in the back of your throat. Ready? E, and say the letter E. That's all you do.
E.
Yeah.
E.
Good. The next one is the ship. Eh.
Eh.
So for this, I like to think of something that's gross.
Eh.
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 Yeah. Gross. Eh. So ship.
Ship.
Yeah, you got it.
Ship.
Okay, try the sentence again.
There are 10 sheep on a ship.
Yeah, that's right. Well done.
Last one, miss. Last one.
Okay.
I have a boat.
You have a what?
I have a boat. You know, boat.
A what?
A boat on the sea.
Oh, you have a
Boat.
boat. Okay, so the pronunciation problem here is with the O sound. Most Indonesians are saying O.
Oh.
O.
Boat. Oh.
So we need to finish it. We need our lips to keep going, okay? So we want to go O. We want to move our lips to make an O even further. So don't stop. Do it like this. Boat. So try again, Bendy.
Okay, let's see. I have a boat.
Correct.
I have a boat, not boat.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, well, that is it for today's video. And if there are other words that you are still struggling how to pronounce, let us know down in the comment section below. And we'll be back on the next video with the consonant sounds.
So if you like our video, give us a like, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to push the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
One. Ayo.
I did it at the same time as you last time, and you said no. So now I'm waiting for you to say
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Aduh. Rewind.